Hello guys, welcome to your first Java tutorial. We're going to make a bank application. In this bank application we're going to have like accounts, and we'll have value in this account like money and other stuff. But we're going to be doing this a little by little. We'll start from the very basic. First thing you want to do is that you write the name of the class, in this case bank. We call it bank, you can call it whatever you like though. It's going to be the same name you're going to put for your file. So, and also you have to be sure that the name of the file has an extension .java to compile. So you're going to have bank, possibly you put a capital letter first as well. The first letter has to be capital. You put bank, and then the class is going to be called bank as well. First thing you want to put in this class is a main method. So Java, when runs this class, you always will look for this method in the main class first, and this method always is always written public static void main and whatever is in there. So the first thing that Java looks is for this method, and our program now is going to be just in this method. The first thing you will want to do is to have a variable. A variable, it just contains some information. Here we use a variable of a type integer called int. An integer only can have all numbers, okay? And you can put here whatever name you like, and be sure that you have a semicolon at the end. Most of the stuff that you were going to write as a semicolon at the end. So we call our variable account, but you can call it whatever you like. In this moment, this variable just happened to exist, but it doesn't contain anything because we haven't gave any value to it yet, and we leave it like that for now. This variable is declared but is not initialized. Okay. Other thing we want to do is we're going to use this command system.out.printl to display something that we put here in bracket. Okay. There are two variation of this command. The second is print line. So the difference is here, this is print and this is print line. What they do is they're going to print in the console whatever we put in the quotes. Okay. However, when you use print, the cursor will stop after you print whatever you put in the quotes. When you use print line, instead of ending at the end of the line, the cursor will go down and make a new line, and you will see soon how it's going to be. Another thing we're going to do is now to give a value to the variable account. So before we had account declared, but it doesn't have anything in there. Now we're going to assign 100 in account. This equal, you have to read it as assign. So what it happens is that this value here gets inside this variable account. Okay. Also wanted to say, you see this double slash here, this is a comment. So whatever you write in here is just for you for reference. Like you put a comment for yourself, but when the program will compile, this line will be completely ignored. Okay. The same happens here. This is completely ignored by the program. Okay. Going forward, and now we're going to print. Actually, going to show you what happens before. Here is the console, and we have welcome to bank version 0.1. What happens here is that we print welcome to the, which is our first print command, and the cursor will stay ideally here, stop, and whatever is going to be print next is going to be in the same line. But now we're going to add a new print command, and what happens when we print, we have the new printed command in a new line. You see that it goes down. Also, now you see that we can put this string, whatever is in quotes is going to be printed, and then we use this plus sign, which is not, which basically is a concatenation of this string and whatever account contains, which is 100. It's not going to print account as you see before, but it is going to print whatever is in account, which is 100. And we have a dot at the end as well, concatenated. So you can use variable to be displayed in the console by concatenate them to a string, like you've seen here before. Okay. Another thing we're going to do is now to change the value with an operation of the variable account. So here we have account equal, which you have to understand this is an assign symbol. So we're going to get whatever is in account already, which is 100, and we subtract 50 of it. And then whatever the result of this is going to be assigned to account. Now if you run the program, nothing's going to be displayed because we haven't put anything after to be displayed. So we're going to show here you have, and then we put account, which is the same line we wrote before, but now we will print the new assigned value. So we run the program, and you see you have 100 pounds, and then you have 50 pounds, because now it prints the updated value of the variable account. That is it for now, and I'll see you later.